Who wouldn't crave for a mango royale? It's easy to make, and it's no bake. Join me and I'll show you how to make it, and the mistakes to avoid. Some learning and fun here on Channel Juan. Warm welcome to Channel Juan, and welcome back to you, dear subscribers, dear followers of this content. Today we're making mango royale, also known as mango float cake. Well, I think we're late because it's late mango season and many channels have already uploaded their version of this cake. Well, it's not too late. In fact, we can make this anytime because we can use not fresh mango, but as an alternative, frozen mango. So any time of the year you can make this. So we're making a no-bake cake. It's mango royale or mango royale. And it's easy. We have just, I think, 5 ingredients. Of course, the first is mango. Now, take note. This recipe is a Philippine recipe and it calls for mangoes from the Philippines. I think our cameraman would agree to that. Where did you taste the most delicious mango?
Philippines.
Philippines, really. That's a known fact. Philippines has the sweetest mango. So, if you can find Philippine mangoes in your area, the next that comes close is, according to my experience, the Mexican. Third is the Vietnamese. Warning, don't use Indian mango. Seriously, don't use Indian mango. Or the Brazilian mango, no, they don't come close. In this order, Philippines, Mexico, Vietnam, or Thailand. It should be sweet. Simple ingredients, since this is a no-bake cake. Graham for the crust, or Graham cake, or Graham crackers. We don't have them here, so I'm using this cheapest tea biscuits from the Albert Heijn. Condensed milk, butter, and whipping cream. Very simple. I think we can start. We can start by caramelizing the butter. Come closer, cameraman. Yeah, this is clean. By the way, you can find the quantities in the description box, but this calls for 150 grams of this butter. At low flame ideally. Let me explain what I'm doing here. What we're doing here is caramelizing the butter. We want it to turn slightly brown, and we want the water content to evaporate and leave just the milk solids, and we caramelize the milk solids to make it golden brown, and that's what they call the hazelnut butter. We'll keep this at low flame to avoid burning it, and meanwhile we can work on the mangoes. Meanwhile, our butter here is bubbling away. Come closer, cameraman, show them. And we mash this without pureeing. This is good. This is good. Now let's set this to a side. Ta-da! And we work on our butter. Let's just boil this until it turns light brown. I think we can even do something while waiting for that. We can pulverize or grind our crackers. This should be okay. Let's go back to our butter. Let's wait until this turns light brown. This should be okay now. This is really brown. More than brown even. This could have been avoided if we did not multitask. Something learned today. Devoted your full attention. Good. I'm using this very beautiful pie mold, and we need to spray grease. Plus this baking paper. Now, as I'm going to use 2/3. I think we can use this tool. Oh, this is better. And to the fridge at least an hour to set. This is a step where we need to devote our full attention. Really? I'll show you what can go wrong. This Channel Juan, and here we also learn, we share our mistakes. And here's what went wrong. This is what can go wrong if we overbeat our whipping cream. Look, it curdled. This is what we want to avoid. So, how to avoid it? I'll show you now. First thing is when using whipping cream, it has to be cold. This thing happened. I added room temperature milk. So, effectively elevating the temperature of this. So, it was difficult to whip. So, I kept on whipping it until it curdled. Okay, so let's do it again. And to be sure, chill your mixing bowl and your whisk as well. And that's what I did. Look, it's cold. Notice how thick the condensed milk has become after being chilled. This is the critical moment when to stop. Look, it's now forming lines. Let's see if it holds its shape. Yeah. Now, it still drips, so more. Do you think this is good? Yeah, this is good. I just took this from the freezer. We can now assemble the layers. Let's start with the whipping cream. And the mango. The disadvantage of using frozen mango is the liquid. This will be delicious, cameraman. Another topping of the cream. and top it with the rest of the crust. I'll just cover this and put it in the freezer overnight and serve it tomorrow. Let's bring it to the garden and share it with Mother Grace and Alex. Manang!
Hey!
Okay, it's good.
Anya data.
Another mistake to avoid, keep this not more than 1 hour outside the refrigerator before serving, or outside the freezer before serving, to keep it shape. This is an ice cream cake.
Circle.
Surko.
There you have it. Fun and learning here on Channel Juan. Join me again on the next video.
Surko ko na naman.
Dios tagbati.
Nou, geef maar een woordje, dan...
And you know, despite the glitches, it was really good. It was delicious. I'll make this again. Make it too. It's easy. I've shown you the mistakes to avoid. See you in the next video as I show you how to grow, cook and share here on Channel Juan.